Reports of an active shooter today at the OU Health campus created a huge police response.
Investigators learned quickly it was a false alarm. But News 9's Matt McCabe spoke with one woman who was inside the building waiting for the all clear.
Yeah, he joins us now live from where today's events began. Matt.
Good evening, Amanda and Carl. People evacuated the OU College of Dentistry today while police searched it for someone with a gun. That person did not exist, but the people inside, they didn't learn that until about half an hour later. In a moment of chaos.
No victims or gunshots heard. Okay.
Not knowing what comes next can be scary. Amanda Matney was caught in the unknown at the OU College of Dentistry on Friday during an active shooter alarm.
I'm glad that it was a false alarm, but boy, it sure didn't feel like a false alarm while it was happening.
For 30 minutes, she barricaded herself in a closet, not knowing the threat wasn't real. She made her first call to her husband, News 9 photojournalist Drake Matney.
It was rough. You know, my daughter lost her father this week, and so the thought of her possibly losing another parent was hard. But I was able to stay not too upset until afterwards, hold it together.
Police swept the entire building. There was no shooter and nobody was injured.
Come out with your hands up. That was probably the scariest part. Come out with your hands up and asking how many of us there were, and had us waiting in the hall with our hands up as they cleared the next section of the hallway, and then we followed them.
The relief came when her daughter knew.
And so they showed up at the school when we were evacuated, and she ran across the courtyard to me and hugged me, and that was good. I was glad she was there.
Her mom would make it out okay. And I also reached out to OU to learn what triggered today's false alarm. I asked them whether somebody called that in or if there was some sort of physical device in the building that triggered it. I have not yet received a response. Live in Oklahoma City, Matt McCabe, Oklahoma Zone, News 9.